Look. So this is the chicken stew, guys. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. So guys, today I'm gonna show you something very unique that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? It's called the chicken stew, and you get a slice of bread with it, right? Well, I'm in an environment called Dekers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? So you see the stall behind me, right? So I'm gonna go and explore and see, what kind of food that they sell here in the street of Kolkata, guys. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, please do not forget to smash that subscribe button and watch the vlog till the end. Let's go and explore this place. Let's go, guys. So here we are, right, guys? So let's explore this place. So I was talking about this, right? This is the chicken stew, and you get vegetable with it. Can you open this, please? দাদা এটাকে একবার খুলবেন দেখবো
এটা কি করেছো
এটা
হ্যাঁ
look guys,
খিচুড়ি
this is the khichuri. It's made out of rice and lentils and mixed vegetable. They cook it together. Hodgepodge. Okay, so guys, I was talking about this, right? Can you please show this? So this is the chicken stew that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So they have papaya in it and some carrot, right? Papaya or carrot ache bitore na? Okay, so you have papaya and carrot mixed. So this is the chicken stew that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? And they serve you in this plate here. Look, guys. So that's a good piece of chicken and a slice of papaya and carrot, right? So that's the chicken stew that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? And guys, you see this very big pot here, right? This is called the ghugni, right? This one. This is called the ghugni. So ghugni basically is made out of grams, right? And they serve you that chicken stew. They serve you the chicken stew with this slice of bread that they are grill over here, right? So this is how it is, guys. Look. So this is the chicken stew, guys. And I'm in an environment called the Dekers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? So they serve you with this bread that they are toasting here, right? On the grill, right? On the fire here, right? And they serve you with this salad. Salad is basically the cucumber and the onion mix, right? And they have many different items here. Those are the fried items, right? Those are the fried items. I'm gonna show you. Wait, guys. I'm gonna show you. So these are the fried item, right? So it's fish and cutlet and vegetable chop. It's called the chop, right? And you see this one? This one is the begoni. It's made out of it's made out of eggplant, right? So I'm in an environment called the Dekers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? So guys, basically I was trying to show you that chicken stew, right? And you see this very big pot here, right? This is called the ghugni, right? So in Bengali it's called the ghugni, right? Look, guys, this is how it is. So it's made out of grams, right? And Indian spice. And you see those white thing, those are the coconut. Those are the coconut here, right? And you even get bread toast. So it's butter and sugar in it, like they sprinkle on the bread, right? And you see this yellow sauce. This is the mustard sauce. It's the Indian mustard sauce that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? And these are the fish item, right? This is the fish fry. Look, guys. So I'm in a environment called the Dekers Lane, right? It's one of the busiest food stalls here. Like they have food stall there in the front. So if you go from here, it's all food stall here, right? And they even serve tea over here, right? Look, guys. And look, this is the shop's name. It's called the Chitro Das shop, right? So if you come to this lane called the Dekers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? You please do come and try out this food item that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right, guys?
ফ্রাই আসছে ফ্রাই আসছে fire toast.
What is this? I don't know. It's some sort of a fried item, but I don't really know. Dada, what is this? This one?
This is veg chop. This is egg devil, duck egg devil with mutton tikka stuffing.
Okay.
And this one is fish chop.
Fish.
This one is fish fry.
Fish fry,
This
okay.
is fish batter fry.
Oh, that's the fish batter fry, guys. It's not the eggplant, I'm sorry. That's the fish batter fry. Okay.
This is fish roll.
Fish roll. That's the fish roll. Okay.
This is our best item in fish. That is called diamond fish fry.
Okay, this is the signature dish that you get here. It's called the diamond fish fry, guys.
It is also known as continental fish fry or fish and chips.
Okay, the continental, Bengali style fish and chips. Okay, so guys, please do come and try. If you come to this, if you come to this lane called the Dakers Lane here in the street of Kolkata, right? Please come and this is the shop's name. That's the shop's name. It's called the Chitro Babu's shop. So come and try this, food items. They have, all fried items here, fresh. And I showed you that chicken stew, right? And and they serve you tea in this beautiful white cups here, right? It's very old school, Look, guys. So this is how it is. And guys, of course, you let me know if you tried any of the food I just showed you. You let me know in the comment, yeah? That will be fun to know. And from where you're watching this video, that will be fun as well to know, right? And subscribe, guys, right? So yeah. And they don't really use a toaster. This is like the very old school, right? So basically they have this tube, right? They have the fire burning down there in the coil, right? That's the coil down there, right? And that's how they toast the bread. It's very old school. It's nice. Like they don't really use a toaster. It's fine, but you still get those crush on the bread, right? It's nice, guys. Okay, thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day. So that was it, guys. That was me trying to show you the food that you get here on the street of Kolkata. It's called the chicken stew and the fish item, and all different things, right? So this area is called the Dakers Lane, right? So I'm gonna walk you out from here and show you, how can you get here? Okay, so let's take a cool walk right till the top of the road, right? That was the shop there, right? And guys, this is the shop's name. It's called the Chitro Babu's, Chitro the shop, right? So yeah, look, there you go. That's better, right? So let's go and let me show you the, the road, like from where you can come here, right? Let's go. And you see, they have all food items here, right? This is the Chinese stall here. And this is the local, lunch stall here, right? So the time right now is about, 1:30, 2 in the afternoon. So this is the lunch time, and look, guys, you get all different kinds of foods here. So this is the main road here, right? So if you take the left from here, you will reach to a place called Dharamtala, which is in the New Market area, right? So if you get off the bus, or if you just walk down the street from there, there is a sweet shop called the Das street shop, right? So if you just walk from there, and you need to go inside this lane, right? Look, I'll show you the signboard here. This is the signboard, right? It's written in Bengali. I can't read Bengali myself. This is the Dakers Lane, right? If you ask anybody, where is the Dakers Lane, they're gonna show you. Alright, guys, so that was me trying to show you the street food that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So that was like basically the chicken stew and those fish fry and different items that you get here in the street of Kolkata, right? So I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories. Love, peace. Bye bye, guys.